All right, today is Monday, May 2nd, 2022, and the markets have opened both up and down here this morning, volatile here this morning, been negative and positive, actually quite a bit here in the first half an hour of trading, all after a week in which we saw the economy slow and stocks retreat. Real quick before we dive into what happened last week, we have a busy calendar coming up here, so I encourage you to head on over to our website and have a look. We have a number of timely presentations. If you just head on over to investwithccg.com/events or just click on the events button over here, you'll see our upcoming calendar. Just scroll down a little bit here. This week, we've got Savvy IRA planning for baby boomers. I'm going to be talking about the importance of an accumulation plan and saving for retirement, but how just as important is having a spending plan in retirement. Then next week, we've got 6 retirement account options every retiree needs to know. The week after that, May 19th, we have our next capital markets update and outlook call. If you have any concerns, any worries, you have any questions for that matter regarding what's going on in the markets, they have been volatile lately. I encourage you to be on these monthly calls where we go through the good in the markets, the positives. We go through the headwinds, both the ones that we're experiencing as well as the ones that we're watching out for. And then we also go through our outlook, both short-term and longer-term, what we think it all means for the markets. Also, if you have any questions about what's going on right now in the here and now, go back to the week before last, April 21st. The recording to our last call is on there. I spent about a half an hour going through the positives, the headwinds, and then the outlook. So we've been talking about the volatility that we've been seeing for some time now. So this is no surprise. So if you want some clarity into what's going on there, I encourage you to go watch that recording and then be sure to be on this month's capital markets update. Looking ahead after that, we've got end of May, life after work, how to create a good life in retirement. And then looking all the way out there in June, we've got some legacy planning presentations coming up later on after that. Again, we'll have another capital markets update call, and then we've got some cybersecurity presentations coming up. So again, head on over to the website, click on the events tab up here at the top, and have a look and see if any of those would be of value to you to join me online. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will take a closer look at what is going on or what happened last week in the markets. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. On Friday, a sharp sell-off sent major stock market indices into negative territory for the week, capping a volatile close to April. The Dow Jones Industrials average declined 2.47%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 tumbled 3.27%. The NASDAQ Composite Index dropped 3.93% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, fell 3.33%. Trading was volatile in the final week of April as investors struggled with the cross currents of global economic growth anxieties stemming from widening COVID-related lockdowns in China and a fresh batch of corporate earnings reports. Monday set the tone for the week. Stocks staged an intraday reversal, wiping out a deep morning decline to end the day higher. After broad losses on Tuesday and a choppy session on Wednesday, stocks mounted a powerful rally Thursday thanks to positive corporate earnings reports, overcoming a disappointing first quarter gross domestic product report. Stocks could not sustain Thursday's momentum as Friday witnessed a broad-based retreat to cement another week of losses. Following the torrid 6.9% annualized GDP growth rate in the fourth quarter, economists had expected economic growth to moderate to about a 1% gain in the first quarter. Instead, the economy shrank an annualized rate of 1.4%, dented by a slowdown in inventory investment by businesses, a jump in the trade deficit, and a decline in defense spending. Consumer spending held up, rising 2.7%, though the gain was amid higher prices. Some economists expect the economy to resume its expansion for the remainder of the year, which may be one reason investors shrugged off the negative surprise. As always, we will keep our thumb on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interests. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to visit smartmixportfolios.com to learn more and to see exactly how that would look. All right, that's it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end today. I've got another riddle for you. This is going to be a numbers riddle, so you might want to grab a pen and a piece of paper. And remember, be the first person to comment down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, with the correct answer, and we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is, what is the number missing within this sequence? Let me put it up here on the screen for you, so you should see it right down at the bottom of the screen here. What is the number missing within this sequence? 4, 7, 11, 18, 29, 47, blank, 123, 199, 322. Again, be the first person to correctly put the answer down below this video, whether you're on Facebook or on YouTube, and we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you'd like the answers to last week's riddle and previous week's riddles, you can head on over to the website. Again, investwithccg.com/riddles to find out. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, also head on over to the website. You can subscribe there at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.